why so much disease are plagued the earth? Because too much Sodom and Gomorrah thing are go on. You understand? Wanna keep asking why corona not go on where it a go. It nah go where it a go. God not satisfied yet. More people have it dead. You understand what I say? Yeah. Wanna not understand. Wanna expect the world to stay the same way when you know the different things. Now me notice once a little batty boy a little bit popular or something. If you say, you're a fish that man, I be a people how are you? I be a people how are you? We not for the batty man, you know. Love people make them live them life. He might look you, he might fuck you. So me I say wait there. What this mean? So what me if you think about all of them people that were different, all a faggot now? How me if you perceive you? You can't say it straight. You're a batty man too, as far as me see it, you know. The media think they can trick me. Footah and a wife. Not married. So when I come on the fake page about Footah wife, gonna go. Yeah. Who not understand say to every action is a reaction. Zine? Now, the way how me see Jamaica change, brother, and to how me see them people have different sprat behavior and different sprat. The disaster them now miss Jamaica. You know? No, me did up on a call, man. Me did up on a call. All the page you know where me block some people and I go make page put up on Browning but Footah hype wife. Footah is not married, you know. Footah is a single man, you know. Me not married. Once you're not married, you're single. Even if you're in a relationship. Once you're not married, you're considered single. I am single. Yeah, no, not the Wi-Fi. Me dey get a phone call. You understand? So what me I say now, people, who not understand and me I try teach you know over the years. You have a skill and you have the positive and you have the negative. Alright, somebody say Footah, every single female wine from them girlfriend or them family member already. Who no know get to me and try say. Not because because it's happening means that it's okay. Hold on. Yeah, my people.